Hi everyone, today our topic is urethrophy. The urethra is the tube that carries urine from the bladder and out the body, and urethrophy is the contrast examination of the urethra. The following points are highlighted in this video and each point will be read in detail. Terminology, indications, contraindications, examination technique of retrograde uretrogram or ascending uretrogram. Retrograde uretrogram or ascending uretrogram versus voiding cystourethrophy or micturating uretrography. References and in the last cases and figures. Viewers, this video has been prepared with great effort. Please watch it its entirety to enhance your knowledge. Before starting the video, new viewers are requested to like this video and subscribe my channel so that my newcomer videos can reach off in time. Terminology of the procedure is that when the urethra is studied with instillation of contrast into the distal or anterior urethra, it has been referred to as retrograde urethrography, which can be written as RUG, or ascending urethrography, which can be written as in short ASU. When posterior urethra is studied during maturation, this has been referred to as voiding cystourethrophy, which in short can be written as VCUG, or descending urethrography or maturating urethrography. Now we see in which diseases urethrogram test can be performed. Pelvic trauma in the emergency department. In this case, we can only do procedure retrograde only. Diminished urinary stream, urethral strictures, urethral diverticula, urethral obstruction, urethral tear, congenital abnormalities, periurethral or prostatic abscess, urethral mucosal tumors, suspected urethral fistula. Contraindication of urethrography is acute urinary tract infection, recent instrumentation. Contrast media can be used in urethrography is high osmolar contrast media or low osmolar contrast media. About 20 ml of contrast is required. Pre-warming the contrast medium will help reduce the incidence of spasm of the external sphincter. Tilting radiography table with fluoroscopy unit and spot film device can be required. Foley catheter or penile clump, for example Knudsen, can be required for this procedure. Patient preparation is none. Primary film. Coned spine PA of bladder base and urethra can be taken as control film. Examination technique of retrograde urethrography. The patient lies supine on the X-ray table. Using aseptic technique, the penile clump is applied or the tip of the catheter is inserted so that the balloon lies in the fossa navicularis and its balloon is inflated with 1 or 2 ml of water. Contrast medium is injected under fluoroscopic control and film taken in the following positions. 30-degree left anterior oblique with right leg abducted and knee flexed. Supine PA. 30-degree right anterior oblique with left leg abducted and knee flexed. Ascending urethrography should be followed by maturating cystourethropy or excretory maturation cystourethropy to demonstrate the proximal urethra. Occasionally, a urethral fistula or periurethral abscess is seen only on the voiding examination. Reflex of contrast medium into distal prostatic ducts is also better seen during maturation. Aftercare, none. retrograde urethrogram or ascending urethrogram versus voiding urethrophy or micturating urethrophy. Generally, a retrograde urethrogram or ascending urethrogram is carried out to visualize anterior urethral abnormalities, and a voiding cystourethropy or micturating urethrogram for posterior urethral abnormalities. Additionally, although the bladder is not generally the main target of the exam, as with the cystogram, avoiding cystourethrogram or micturating urethropy may be useful in the detection of bladder abnormalities and vesico-ureteric reflex. In a trauma situation, a retrograde urethrogram or ascending urethropy should be performed first. Avoiding urethropy or micturating urethrogram should be performed first because blindly trying to introduce a Foley catheter into the bladder in a trauma setting may lead to additional iatrogenic urethral damage. Complication of the urethropy is about two main types. First, due to the contrast medium, adverse reaction are rare. Second, due to the technique, acute urinary tract infection, urethral trauma, intravasation of contrast medium, especially if excessive pressure is used to overcome a stricture. Posterior urethra is not well distended or not well seen on ascending retrograde urethropy. For delineation of prostatic posterior urethra, a descending urethrogram or micturating cystourethropy is performed.